Magic Makeup 34. Magic Makeup 34. We're gonna count and we're gonna get the colors that we're gonna use. Gonna. God, this was a bad idea. This is my goal. I almost started crying at some point. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lemia. Welcome. How you doing? How are you? So I got a new palette and I decided to do the random numbers pick my makeup challenge, and it was so fun to do. I'm so glad I was able to challenge myself to do this because I think the makeup look that I came up with was really cute. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, if you want to see how to do this makeup look, please keep on watching. You guys are up close and personal with me. In my last video, my get to know me video, I said that I'm going to do some more spicy makeup, and I finally decided to. This is the Goldflower Cosmetics Magic Makeup 34 color eyeshadow palette. I saw this and I was, is it in frame? Oh, hi. Hey. I saw this and I just fell in love with the colors and I just wanted to do it. So instead of just creating a makeup look for my head, that's pretty easy for me to do, even though I really haven't done makeup arts much. But I decided to do a challenge with it to further stress me. I decided to do the random numbers pick my makeup eyeshadow challenge, and I know it's like a year old, but I decided to do it. So I've got this cute little basket over here. This is where I used to put my nail polish, but I put it on my bed so I can just use it for. Can you see this? This is like, oh, I can put this on my hand, but no, Chini had to be extra. So I'm just going to pick 5 random numbers from here. I numbered it from 1. This will be number 1. This will be number 35 because there are 35 colors in this palette. So 1 to 35. I wrote all the numbers here. So that's how we're going to count and we're going to get the colors that we're going to use. Gonna. Okay. I'm going to pick 5 colors because I think I use a transition shade. I use a shade on my eyelid. I use a darker shade. I use a shade in my inner crease, and that's basically all I use. But if we don't like the 4 colors we choose, we're gonna choose a 5th color. Like, I'm legit praying that I get one of the glitter shades, because that's what even attracted me to the whole palette in the first place. The glitter shades here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're so pretty, and I've never used glitter on my eyes before, and I wanna use it. So try swatch it. I just bought this yesterday, so I'm not even sure. Let me swatch this. Oh wow. Okay, this is a matte green. Oh, it's not really. Okay, this is coming out a little in my skin. I'm not going to swatch the glitter because that's a mistake that I'm not willing to make, and I don't have any wipes here. I'm so dumb. Last color I'll swatch, maybe this. I already have blue. What color do I think I swatch? So I've got some wipes. Let's begin the challenge. Okay, so first number. Just keep it here. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have the transition shade. This orange right here is 19. That's okay so far. 17. 17 is, this is 19, so therefore this is 17. I was praying for a glitter shade and I got a glitter shade. Hopefully we don't get another glitter shade, because life really be like that sometimes. 3 is this color right here. So we have gold, we have orange, and then we have aqua marine blue or something. This is probably like sea blue. One more color. 13. Why can't I get something like 20? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 13. So we have gold, Oh god, this was a bad idea. We have blue. We have this. Oh, can you even see this? So the colors we got were blue, which is 3. We have 13, which is purple. We have 17, which is the gold shade here, and then we have orange here. What am I supposed to do? Should I let me collect one more color? What's the worst that could happen? 7. Okay, so we did not open this, and yeah, so we're just gonna use the 4 colors we got initially. So this was 7. So we're just gonna use the 4 colors we got initially and make whatever we can. I think I have a look in my head, but I'm not sure I can execute it well. Hopefully I can. So let us begin. I've already done my base makeup, my foundation, concealer, eyebrows. I'm done with my brows. If you want to see how I do that, I'll link it up here. It's an easy makeup tutorial for like work, school, everything. It does not include this eyeshadow look I'm about to do. So first we're going to prime our eyes so our pigments come out very, very well. Use my LA Girl Pro concealer to prime. My mirror is here in case you see me looking here. I moved my mirror from here to here. So you guys can be closer to me. Then I'm going to use the Black Opal setting powder to set my eyes. I'm going to use it as a transition shade right here in this area. So I have something in mind, but I'm not sure if it look nice. I had to go back and draw this. I don't know. This is my goal. Let's just see if I can do it. So, according to my diagram here, I'm going to use same brush, same fluffy brush, dip it into the purple. So I'm gonna grab a small flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease with it. Now I'm going to use another flat brush, but a bigger one, to get the blue. I'm going to pack the blue on the cut crease that we cut. I'm going to use my angle brush because I feel like I'll be more precise with it. And I'm going to make a lightning shape. You'll see as I'm doing it. I'm now going to finally go in with the gold shade here that was given to us by our basket of truth. Then I'm going to use mascara. I'm using the Black Opal mascara. So then I go above. Because I'm not fixing lashes, I really need to make sure the mascara is everywhere. I'm going to add eyeliner to my eyelash line to make my eyelashes pop more, because I'm not going to fix lashes because I don't fix lashes because of the curliness of my eyes. I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll come to you guys when I've done both to finish everything all together. So I am done with this other eye. I think that it looks really nice. So we're going to finish everything off. So next I'm going to go in with the same blue I used here, and I'm going to put it on my under eye area. And I'm going to connect the outer corner here with the blue. And then I'm going to go in with a mascara, the Super Curl mascara, but this one is the tiny bristles, and I'm going to use it on my lower lash line or lower lashes. I'm going to go in with my Zara Face Definer, and I'm going to contour or bronze a little bit around my face. So then I go with my classic blush in the shade Pink. So for lips, I'm not really going to do much. I'm just going to use my Color Boost lipstick. I'm going to go in the middle. And then I go in again with my Zara palette, and I go in with the highlighter, and I just highlight. I think that this makeup look all done. This challenge was like super fun. Honestly, it was like I'm so glad I did it. I almost didn't do it at the end of the day, but I'm glad I did. I challenged myself, and I think I came out with a very beautiful look. To warn you, the glitter in this is extremely hard to work with. I almost started crying at some point as I was doing it, but I obviously cut that part out. But like, it was so hard to work with. It's basically just glitter. If you don't have a base like the concealer I put, you're not going to enjoy using it at all. So this is this makeup look all complete. I know that I'm going nowhere, and I am going to have glitter on my face for like a week, but this was worth it for you guys, so you guys can enjoy, you guys can recreate. If you do recreate, so make sure to tag me, please. I want to see your awesome creations. I want to see how you did it. I want to see what you did. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here, and if you are still here watching my videos and you are still not subscribed, want to follow me on my social medias, you can follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok. I post on my Instagram almost every day. I post on my TikTok basically every day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.